Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be learning how we can download Instagram story from Instagram app in 2024. So without any delay, let's begin. First of all, you have to open Instagram app from your mobile device, and after you have opened the Instagram app, search the story which you want to download. For example, if I want to download this story, I will simply click on the share option which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there you can get the option of copy link which you have to tap, and the link of this story has been copied to your clipboard. So now you have to close the Instagram app and open a browser which you like the most. For this tutorial video I will be opening Chrome, and from here I will open the website called Save Clip. Now you have to paste the link of the story which you want to download and click on the blue option saying download. From here it will process the story, and as you can see all the stories which we can download from the app. For example, I want to download this, so I will be clicking on download image. As you can see, the story has been downloaded, and this is how you can download the story in Instagram app in 2024. So if this video helped you guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.